Hey y'all, it's Hadassah. If you're new here, welcome to HP Life and Style. If you're not new here, hey girl, happy to see you. For the newbies, go ahead and hit that subscribe button for me down below. Yeah, the red one with the, I think it's white letter. Yeah, you see it. Hit that subscribe button for me down below. We are on our journey to 1,000. Next target is 800. Giveaway details coming in a separate video. But anyway, if you saw my last video, I told you I found like a new black owned handbag brand, and I had ordered 2 bags from them, and I only got one last week. So I just got the other one today, and I'm super excited to open it for y'all. So once again, y'all, DHL really be beating these packages up sometimes. Like, look at this. Y'all see how it's all scuffed and whatnot? Y'all, this is beat up. I'm not gonna show y'all the other side because the other side looks worse because it's white. Like, I could tell that DHL really beat it up. But anyway, I'm going to open this on camera with y'all so y'all can see how everything looks. Okay, so brand name is Bakwai. Comes in a nice dust bag, and oh, this is nice. Y'all see, I needed this because I didn't have one. I needed this. Okay, so put the dust bag up there. So I just got like a basic straw, like bucket bag type of situation, and this is handmade, hand woven. Like, this is got some thread on it from the bag, but this is just like a great straw bag. And like I said, this was in their sales section, so this was like $35 I think. Like, it didn't cost anything, but yeah, it's just like a woven straw basket bag. Like, the vibes, are we feeling them right now? And then on the inside, so it comes with this little purple pouch. So you can definitely, you know, put your items in here and, you know, just drop it in and then close it. It has like a little cinch right here. So you can do that. But I don't know if I would, do I want to do that? I don't know. But yeah, this is what the inside looks like. But yeah, y'all, this is too cute. And just to give y'all some size references, this is the case for an iPhone 11 Pro Max. So yeah, basically that's the height of this bag. So you can definitely drop everything in there. I mean, it's a bucket bag. Y'all know how these work. You can drop so many different items in here. Got some keys, and you know, if you like living on the wild side like me, you'll just drop it in like that. Or if you're a bit more conservative, you'll use the pouch that they included. But y'all, I'm just glad I got my bag. Like, that's it. I just came on here to show y'all real quick because it's super cute. And I told you I had another bag in this brand. So yeah, like I said, this is my second bag from this brand. Probably won't be my last because like I said, these are super, like, this feels solid and sturdy. Like, you can move the handle a little bit, but it doesn't go from side to side. So yeah, this is basically stuck in place. But yeah, this is what I needed in my collection, like a good straw bag, you know, for the summer. But anyway, that's all I want to come on here and say to y'all. As always, thank y'all so much for watching. Please don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe, and I will see y'all in my next video.